W with M-R-M-I-K-E.
Hello everybody! Today we are going to draw a pencil. But we're going to use a marker to draw the pencil. Or I'm going to use a marker to draw a pencil. You can use whatever you want. And this is the pencil that we are drawing. And did you know that you don't need that many basic lines and shapes to create this pencil? In fact, you only need a U, an arc, and a line. Well, that's a pretty simple drawing. We're going to be drawing something that we use to draw with. What? I'm going to start at the bottom of the page, in the bottom corner down here. Okay, and all I'm going to do is create a line here, and then another line comes out like this, and that'll be the tip of the pencil. Next, I'm going to create a U. So I'm going to create the U shape, but I'm going to put it kind of upside down like this, and I'll do another one on the other side and have it connect to that line. Next, I'm going to do the same thing except smaller. I'm going to make that U, and then I make another U right next to it, and I'm going to color that in because that's the pencil point. Okay. Now I'm going to create a long line all the way up the page on an angle. So let's start here and then keep going. And if you would like to, you could get something to help you draw a line. If you have a ruler, or maybe the side of a book, or a workbook, or something you can use. Actually, you could even, see, watch this. I'm going to use the pencil to help draw the pencil. Did you know that you could do that? So I'm going to hold the pencil in place, and I'm going to draw with the marker all the way up and create my straight line. So you don't have to use a ruler to create a straight line. Now I'm going to create two arcs. One arc here, and then another arc here. And then I know I'm going to continue this line up, and then I'm going to do two more lines. One on this side, and one on this side. And this is the eraser, so this is the end of the pencil. And I'll connect another arc up here to finish it off. Okay, and then as a detail, we can put in two arcs here. Okay, because this is the metal piece that holds on to the eraser. Okay, now we're going to make another line detail that goes all the way up the pencil. Okay, so we'll start here and we'll do a light line all the way up, just like that. Okay, now I'm going to create a thick outline around my pencil. So I'm just going to use the side of my marker to do that. And if you want, you can just trace the edges, and it just makes it look a little bit more finished sometimes if you do it this way. Sometimes what I do is if I make a mistake, which happens quite a bit, I make lots of mistakes. Sometimes I can cover up those mistakes with a thick black line. And then I'm going to just have it go down here. Look at that pencil we drew, everybody. We only needed 3 basic lines and shapes to make that. Thanks so much for drawing with me today. I'll see you next time. Bye.
For this and other episodes, drawing lessons, activities, and books, please visit drawwithmrmike.com. And don't forget to subscribe to the Draw with Mr. Mike channel on YouTube, Vimeo, and Facebook.
Draw with Mr. Mike. Let's draw with Mr. Mike. D-R-A-W with M-R-M-I-K-E.